Do you have a trouble in understanding the position of elements? No problem. I think it's time to let us have a try. Position property is defined as the position of a div with respect to its holder, which can be another div or the browser itself. Typically, it uses four methods of it. They are static, relative, absolute, and fixed. Now, for a second, let's suppose that this is your browser. And this is the div that you have created. Static position is defined as the position where element will render in order and it will never change its original position from the top, right, bottom and left corner of the container div or from the browser itself if there isn't any such container div. This is the default value for a div if no position is defined. On the other hand, relative, the div element will reside relative to its normal position, whether it is inside another div or not. So margin left of 20 pixels will add 20 pixels to the left of the div from its container div. Now this is a crucial position, which is absolute. This is the condition where you have to place the div inside another ancestral div, which is not, of course, static or fixed. Must have to mention the margin from top, right, bottom and left, specify its position inside the ancestral div. And fixed is the position where the div or element will remain in a fixed position relative to its browser window. This means whether you scroll down or up, position of div will always remain same. Now, what is this z-index? Z-index is the stack value of an element. According to principle, an element with a higher stack value will always take over the element with a lower stack value. So this is div A and this is another div B. Now this blue box B will always be elevated above the cube A as the z-index value of B is higher to A. If you want cube A to appear above blue box B, then you have to increase the stack element of A to be in a higher position to B. Position of cube A is now elevated above the blue box B, hence full feature of A is being displayed. As you can see over here, the div A is now elevated upon div B. But remember, z-index works only on positioned elements and nowhere else. So that's it for today's tutorial, folks. Let's continue to our project.